We are an FPI, how to handle multiple strategies in a brokerage account when there are no sub-account with a broker. So if you're FPI, like I would need to know a bit more, whether it's a category 2 or category 3, but whichever category it is, you can run multiple strategies on a single CTCL ID. I'm assuming you're talking about, since you have mentioned FPI, you're talking about Indian markets. So you can have you can have same strategy running on multiple strategies running on same CTCL ID. So that is possible. So if your platform supports that, then that can be done. You do not need a sub account as such for that. Otherwise, you can also go for multiple accounts. You can have multiple accounts mapped on a single machine. That's also possible. So both the things are technologically possible. All right. So, and there are vendors who should be able to help you. That depends on what kind of trading platform you're using, but that's there.